Hey guys, welcome to the CryptoMinerBros YouTube channel. This is a specific how-to video on how to set up a new Iceriver AE0. This is to mine Aleo. So the hash rate that this can achieve is about 60 M-proofs at about 100 watts, okay, or 110 watts, plus or minus 5%. So I actually have it running right now, and it is pretty easy to set up. So I'm just gonna go through how to set this up. It's very easy. So thank you to CryptoMinerBros.com for this video. If you guys are interested in one of these miners or any other miners on their website, use code REDPANDA for $70 off. Links down below. Okay, so this is the box that it's gonna come in, just like this. And once you open it up, you're going to be presented with the AE0 inside here, like this. Now, I don't know if future models are going to come with a power supply. Mine didn't come with one, so I had to order a 120 watt 2.5 inch barrel laptop battery adapter, just like this. You can try to get a bigger one, like a 180 or a 220 or 300 watt, just in case this will have a, I don't know, an overclock in the future, but I recommend just sticking it with it at stock so that you don't burn up anything. Anyways, you can get these adapters off Amazon or anywhere that you are able to purchase laptop bricks, okay? And it's plugged in for me on 110 volt here, just like this, North American power. Getting about 110 watts on this AE0. Now, there's Ethernet as well, but there's also Wi-Fi capability. At the time of recording, the Wi-Fi capability is not quite optimized yet. So in the future, if you're watching this video, there are firmware updates on Iceriver's website. So check back on their website, see if they have a new firmware update for your AE0, and I'll show you guys how to do that in the computer. Okay, so basically wherever you want to plug in your AE0, it's only 100 watts. So depending on your environment, depends where you want to mine with it, you know, this thing will provide a little bit of heat. So once you have it placed somewhere, you'll want to plug in the power cable here, the barrel cable that goes from your laptop brick into the AE0, as well as plug in Ethernet. Okay, you're gonna need to do this first to initially set it up. So once you have these two things plugged in, it should turn on. Now we need to get the IP address of this so that we can log into the web GUI and put in our worker name, mining pool, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the computer. Okay, so I'm in the computer. I'm using a free software called Advanced IP Scanner. Alternatively, if you can comfortably log into your own router, you can get the IP address of the unit that way, okay? The host name should be something called like Iceriver, and you can see the IP address. So for mine, it's 10.100.100.126. I'm just gonna copy the IP, and then I'm gonna go to the browser and paste that in at the top. In any browser, I'm just using Brave browser here. I'm gonna hit enter, and it's gonna come up with the login and password, okay? So this one is gonna be admin, and then the password for the Icerivers is going to be 1 through 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna hit login. And we are in. Okay, so now we're in the web GUI of the AE0. Next step, we're going to go to mining settings. And this is where we are going to put in our pool address, wallet and worker name, and password. Okay, so there's a couple things we need to do here first, okay? So we need to figure out which mining pool you'll want to use. Now for the AE0s, currently, as of recording, it only works on Whale Pool, okay? Iceriver has told me that ZK-Work, F2 Pool, and DX Pool will work in the future, but right now it's only Whale Pool, okay? So I will show you the example of connecting it to Whale Pool in this video, okay? Then you're gonna need a Aleo wallet, and I'm just using the Leo wallet, okay? So you're gonna have to install this. It's just a browser extension, which I can show you guys at the top here. And you're gonna get your receiving address this way. So once you have that and you have chosen the mining pool of choice, well, at this time it's gonna be Whale Pool. We're gonna get Whale Pool's mining address, okay? You need to get the URL. We're gonna copy the pool that's closest to us, and you can alternatively also use these other pools as backup. So for me, I'm closest in the US, so I'm gonna hit the copy button here. We're gonna go back to the AE0 web GUI, then we're gonna paste that in, okay? Paste that in into the pool number 1, then pool number 2 and pool number 3 should be the backup pools, okay? So in this case, it's gonna be EU1 for me, and the Asia one as well. So I'm gonna paste those in. Okay, let's go back to here, go copy the Asia one, and place that in the third pool there. Okay, so it's just as a backup. Now, next one is we're gonna copy and paste our wallet address in here from your Leo wallet into the wallet worker name, then you're going to want to put a period and then a worker name. So for me, I just put AE0 just to distinguish it at the pool level. So if you actually scroll down, you can actually see your miner ID, which is the AE0 for me here on the mining pool. Okay, so yeah, then you're going to want to copy that 3 times and paste it into pool number 2 and pool number 3 as well. Okay, make sure you copy that in. Password, I just do XXX, and then once you're done, you're gonna hit save. That's it. You're now mining on to Whale Pool, and you're gonna receive your Aleo into your Leo wallet here, okay? So that's it, and it should start mining right away. It takes like a couple minutes for the web GUI to show up. It may restart. If it doesn't mine, you may need to hit restart just to, you know, give it a good refresh, okay? So that's it, guys. Let's go back out. Okay, so there you guys go. That's the how to set up the Iceriver AE0. Again, check back on Iceriver's website. There is going to be a firmware update for this thing, okay, to help optimize the settings and also enable the Wi-Fi to work a lot better so that you can connect to your Wi-Fi on this thing, okay, for anyone that has this, of course. Okay, that's it. Thank you, CryptoMinerBros. If you guys are interested, again, links down below in the video description if you're interested in this miner or any other ASIC miners for that matter. Use code REDPANDA for 70 bucks off. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.